Hello and welcome. Today I'm introducing you to D4E or Data Mart for Excel. D4E comes in two versions, the Standard and Advanced editions. In this video, we'll focus on the Standard version, which offers a streamlined interface for collaboration between SQL developers and business users. In the Standard version, there is no task pane or ribbon icons. Instead, we use the Add-ins menu in the command bar to interact with D4E. We'll take a closer look at the My Tools menu and the Run SQL Versions menu for executing SQL queries and more. Let's start by opening a sample Excel file that contains several SQL queries. In this file, we have 5 columns, each with a different SQL query ready to run. We'll use these queries to demonstrate how D4E works in the Standard version. The queries contain placeholders like branch 1 and branch 2. D4E can automatically replace these placeholders with the actual data from those files. Let's now move on how we handle these placeholders. Now we'll demonstrate how D4E replaces placeholders in the SQL queries. For example, branch 1 and branch 2 will be replaced by the actual file name and row data in which we can see from Notepad here. This allows you to dynamically run queries without editing the SQL each time. The replacement process is handled automatically by D4E, which makes it easy for business users to work with SQL data without needing to manually change the queries. At the same time, it lets the SQL developer allow changes to the SQL tailored to each business user. Note how the file replacement feature can be used as an advanced security feature. Using Windows Security, branch 1 file can be made available only to certain users, and similarly with branch 2. This way, the results are automatically tailored depending on the user's Windows profile. With the placeholders available, let's run the query using the Add-ins menu. In the Standard version, the SQL developer can test using the Get Data Table option to test the SQL. Here, we'll run the query from column C, and as you can see, D4E seamlessly integrates SQL execution within Excel, allowing you to interact with your data without needing to leave the application. Let's now demonstrate how the business user actually runs the SQL created for him by the developer without seeing the SQL, so let's hide it for now. The business user goes to the Run SQL Versions submenu. This option is useful for SQL developers who want to manage different versions of their queries and make them available for business users. So by clicking here, the process is just as smooth. D4E automatically replaces the placeholders and executes the query, making it easy for users to get the data they need with minimal effort. In conclusion, as you've seen, D4E in the standard version provides a simple and effective way to execute SQL queries in Excel. It allows SQL developers to create and manage queries, while business users can easily run those queries through the add-ins. In the advanced version, we have even more features like macro recording, scheduling, and the Excel task pane, making it even easier for business users to interact with data. But for now, the SQL version offers all the essential functionality to get started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on D4E and other productivity tools.